Okay, today we're going to do a little demonstration. We have a very small field here, so we can't launch anything real big. The rockets we had on display are bigger, and we can launch just about all of them over that field on 18th Avenue. Okay, we've got 3 rockets up here, the red, white, and blue one. They're all the same rockets, so they all fly the same, but they've got different motors in them. An A, a B, and a C motor. Each letter you go up in the alphabet, the amount of power in the motor doubles. Okay, so we're going to launch the first one, the red one, on an A motor. And we do a 5-second countdown.
Whoop! Where's the countdown?
We do a 5-second countdown. Okay. So, 5-second countdown gives a chance for everybody to pay attention to the rocket launch and be ready for it to go up. And when it comes down, if it comes down near the crowd, we will yell out, heads up, heads up, heads up, and point to the rocket so you know where it is. And you can move out of the way. Okay? Okay, so that was pretty cool, even though we didn't get to see it because we weren't ready. But I will never mention anything about that again. For at least half an hour. Okay, on pad 2, we've got a white rocket. It's got a B motor in it. So twice as powerful as the previous rocket. So let's go with this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.